Are you wondering what's the best wireless microphone for this year? If so, stay tuned, because by the end of this short video, you'll know exactly which one to choose. Hey guys, it's 7 Top Rated, and in today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best wireless mics. This list was made based on our personal views, and are listed based on price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the product shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. At number 5 is the Shure BLX24 PG58 handheld wireless system. This is the ideal entry-level wireless microphone system for small venues. The Shure BLX24 offers professional quality sound with simple setup and an intuitive interface for performance you can trust right out of the box. As you'd expect from a Shure mic, it feels sturdy and well-made, and has been rigorously tested to make sure it can handle any environment, and are subject to heat, cold, humidity, and the Shure drop test. They are built to survive the demands of life on the road. Despite housing impressive technology, it remains lightweight, and the safely recessed on-off switch stays out of the way during a performance so you won't turn it off accidentally. Everything is in place so you can perform at your best. It's built to ensure a rock-solid signal from transmitter to receiver. Shure BLX wireless systems eliminate interference and dropouts, so you'll sound like you were using a wired mic, which is vital. Thanks to one-touch quick scan technology, all the hard work is done for you, and locating the best frequency for your performance is as easy as pushing a button. The sound of the BLX2 SM58 integrates class-leading sound with elegant wireless technology. You'll be able to faithfully perform up to 100 meters or 300 feet away from the receiver, with a generous 14 hours of continuous runtime. When you're moving around the stage, the SM58 focuses on you. The tight cardioid polar pattern rejects the noise, greatly reducing feedback issues from nearby stage monitors. It's tuned to help your voice cut through the mix thanks to a gentle mid-range presence boost, and those distracting pop noises are tamed by the steel mesh filter. There's even a built-in shock mount to eliminate handling noise. Overall, the Shure BLX24 PG58 handheld wireless system delivers excellent sound for lead and backup vocals. The legendary Shure quality construction ensures exceptional performance in rigorous environments. And this Shure microphone would make a great choice for anyone wanting professional sound quality. At number 4 is the Audio-Technica ATW1102 system. The ATW1102 system from Audio-Technica is a digital wireless handheld microphone solution that can be used for public speaking, live singing, and more. The system includes an ATW R1100 digital receiver and the ATW T1002 handheld microphone transmitter. It uses 24-bit, 48 kHz digital audio and operates free from TV interference in the 2.4 GHz frequency range. This mic is built for expandability, and you can use up to 8 systems simultaneously. The handheld microphone transmitter features a dynamic, unidirectional element that is designed to reject sound from the back and sides of the mic. In addition, the ATW T1002 is equipped with a mute switch and an input level control. The mute switch can come in handy in live music or public speaking settings for quickly muting the sound, so you can give discreet instructions to others on stage without the audience hearing what you're saying. Audio-Technica offers extremely easy operation and instantaneous channel selection. Up to 8 channels may be used together without any frequency coordination problems or group selection issues. The system receivers and transmitters offer an easy-to-read digital ID display. The system is perfect for MI live performance, fixed installation, public address, AV rental houses, and places of worship. As for performance, the ATW1102 system offers true diversity operation, which continuously monitors the activity in the 2.4 GHz band and automatically adjusts the best signal in case of interference with WLAN routers, Bluetooth devices, or other HF microphones. Plus, the 2.4 GHz frequency band keeps you away from licensing or frequency coordination issues, or frequencies used by DTV and 4G. To conclude, the Audio-Technica ATW1102 wireless system offers reliability and ease of use at an economical price point, along with features and functions comparable to those of systems costing considerably more, and is one you should definitely check out. At number 3 is the Pile Pro wireless microphone system. The Pile Pro wireless microphone system controls up to 2 mics with simultaneous use each, with adjustable independent volume controls. Sing, talk, or vocalize. Great for presentations, live performances, studio productions, and karaoke. Design-wise, the Pile Pro is built to last. The microphone is constructed from the highest quality and durable zinc alloy metal and a steel mesh to ensure that it lasts for the longest time possible. The system includes two handheld mic transmitters, a 2-channel UHF receiver, a 1/4-inch cable, and a power supply. Located on the face of the unit, you will find adjustable volume control knob, RF and AF indicators, power indicator, antennas, power switch, and channel frequency display. The UHF wireless system works by generating radio waves and forwarding the signal between the microphone transmitter and receiver unit. With a larger range than VHF systems, you'll have an easier time using your system in places with heavy RF activity such as busy cities. As for performance, the Pile Pro system works by generating radio waves and forwarding the signal by way of the microphone and receiver unit. The transmitters will work at a distance of up to 164 feet or 50 meters from the receiver, so you'll have an easier time getting your message across. You can choose from 8 different frequency channels, each with adjustable independent volume controls, providing broad frequency response range and low distortion, with high signal-noise ratio performance. Additionally, multiple UHF systems can be used in the same area without interference. Each system must be set at a different frequency to allow clear transmission. The Pile Pro wireless microphone system will provide you with the performance you've been looking for. Whether used for work or play, this dual microphone system is easy to set up, easy to use, and best of all, will give you an amazing high-quality audio experience. At number 2 is the Nady DKW Duo wireless microphone system. The Nady DKW Duo dual handheld wireless microphone system is a cost-effective cable-free solution for DJs, karaokes, houses of worship, auditoriums, presentations, small performances, and more. Let's take a look. The Nady system includes a rugged receiver with dual antennas and a 1/4-inch phone output for connection to a PA system. The handheld transmitters feature DM20B cardioid dynamic capsules for professional clear sound quality. Furthermore, the Nady DKW microphone system has easy, convenient operation with on-off switch and low battery LED indicator, which flashes once for unit on and lights steady for a low battery alert. The transmitters operate up to 15 hours on single 9-volt batteries. As for performance, the Nady DKW offers a cost-effective dual-channel VHF handheld wireless microphone system that features VHF from 170 to 216 MHz operation for reliable interference-free performance with 150+ feet typical operating range, up to 300+ feet line of sight, with a dual receiver for versatile single or simultaneous dual transmitter operation. This system comes complete with everything you need to plug into a PA system, including connecting 1/4-inch to 1/4-inch audio cable. Just install fresh batteries in the microphone, connect the AC adapter to receive and to a power outlet, turn it on, and you're good to go. We like the volume of each microphone is adjustable on the receiver, so you can get the perfect balance between the two performers. As for sound quality, the advanced audio processing circuitry has a wide dynamic range, so no overloading for loud inputs or background hiss during quiet use. It uses special circuitry to eliminate transmitter on-off pop noise, which is a great addition. The DKW Duo makes a perfect entry-level system with all the advantages and freedom of wireless operation without cumbersome cords. At number 1 is the Sennheiser Pro Audio EW100-935S. The Sennheiser 935S is an easy-to-set-up rack-mount wireless handheld microphone system that brings high-quality, reliable audio to presenters, clergy, lecturers, and performers working in business and educational settings, houses of worship, theaters, or on musical stages. Design-wise, the MMD 935 dynamic capsule features a cardioid polar pattern that minimizes background noise and feedback. The rugged all-metal handheld transmitter features a mute switch and can be locked out to prevent accidental changes during a performance. A backlit LCD displays essential information and provides fast menu access. In addition, the robust metal EM100 receiver offers a high-contrast black and white LCD. The display uses a streamlined menu system with a dedicated escape button for quick menu navigation and shows the battery status of the associated transmitter. The system features 20 fixed frequency banks with up to 12 compatible frequency presets and 1 user bank with up to 12 user programmable frequencies. The built-in equalizer enables you to change the frequency response of the output signal, allowing you to reduce the bass range and boost the treble range. The Sennheiser Pro Audio comes complete with a microphone clip, a rack kit, a linking cable, and 2 AA batteries. You don't need additional components, which is really cool. As for performance, you'll achieve great sounding vocals with Sennheiser's EW935. This wireless system's SKM100 G4S handheld transmitter features a tight supercardioid pattern, so it picks up the vocalist while eliminating feedback. The EW935 includes a rack mount receiver which offers 1,680 tunable UHF frequencies across a 42 MHz band for interference-free reception. Additionally, you'll benefit from a 330-foot transmission range and up to 8 hours of operation. To conclude, from the small stage to the big arena, the Sennheiser 100 series covers everything musicians and performers need to connect with their audience. It's the industry standard and is used whenever everything has to be quickly and reliably captured in one take. And that's why it's our #1 choice. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you found it useful. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this in the future. If you do have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Catch you soon.